Sponge-O-Rama's Cruise Lines. Yanni's Dolphin. That looks like a fun time. Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Tarpon Springs, Florida, in the main area of where all the Greek restaurants are, the Sponge Docks. And so it is 6:40 Saturday afternoon, April 17th, and there's a lot of people out here. I just came from the beach, and I'm gonna go have some delicious Greek food because it doesn't look like I'm getting to Greece anytime this summer. So this is the next best thing. This is the most Greek place I know of in the US outside of Astoria, Queens, New York. Let's see what it's like over here. So if you want some good Greek food, come out here and pick any place. You can't go wrong.
Yeah, no, definitely around here though.
And so these are the sponges that the Greeks came here like 100 years ago to dive for these sponges. And that's why they call it the Sponge Docks, and that's why this area is all Greek. And so how did this area become Greek? I'm not sure, but like my Korean friend says, whoever picks you up at the airport when you get to the country you're going to, whatever they do for a living, you're gonna do for a living. So maybe there was a few enterprising Greeks that came here and started sponge diving, and all the Greeks afterwards came out and did kind of the same thing. Who knows?
That much bigger, you know, like.
But I was out here in November and maybe December or January at night, and it was pretty dead. Not that many people, but right now there's a good amount of people here, a very good amount of people, and there's even lines outside the restaurants over there, Hellas restaurant. So I don't know if these people just came here for the day or they're out at the beach over here close by, but it's a good thing to do if you are in Clearwater or Tampa or something like that and you want to do something different than just going to Clearwater Beach. You can come to the beach out here, and then after you're done with that, come over here and have some really good Greek food, seafood, all that kind of stuff. You could even go on one of these boat tours over here. Of course, there's all these souvenir shops where you can buy all kinds of shells and sponges and all kinds of Greek paraphernalia. When I was here in like November, a lot of these souvenir shops were closed because I guess it's not high season enough for them to be open. But look at this place, Hellas restaurant is got people, a lot of people waiting to get in. So like anything that's on the main avenue, that's where most people go, and so that has the biggest crowds. But I kind of like to be off the beaten path a lot of times because usually you get something just as good, if not better. I'm not saying where I'm going is better than Hellas, I'm not really sure, but I like to go to this place called Mama's that's off the side street here. But this place, when it's this packed, it's got to be good, right? But these people look like they're going to be waiting 20, 30 minutes or more to get a seat here. So let's see how it is at Mama's.
Oh, I like the cat.
Those guys are real Greeks right there, talking Greek. And so you have this little kind of, I don't know, outside mall thing here, with the shark hanging upside down. There's a couple bars and whatnot. And so Mama's Authentic Greek Cuisine happy hour, 2 for 1 all day, and belly dancing 7:30 on Saturday, which if I stay there long enough, I guess I will get to see it.
Where the hell is it? Oh,
It's around the side and the back. It's really good. That's where I'm going.
Or are you looking for your margarita?
No, we can do the wine first.
So, okay, you got this outside seating at this bar here. A lot of people here. I like to see that. I'm glad to see all these people out here. So it's hard to find Mama's if you don't already know it. These signs help. In November, December, whatever, there was a lady giving out coupons for free saganaki if you come to Mama's and get 2 entrees. So I got that. That's the fried cheese that they light on fire. And so this is Mama's. And you got the belly dancer today, entrees, appetizers. We got a whole menu, really good food, not crazy expensive. So, you know, that's right up my alley. So let's see what we get here. And, oh yeah, they also have outside seating, which is what I want to do. So let's go inside and see what the food is like. So I got 2 entrees, which comes with 2 small Greek salads, which is good for me because I'm going to eat them both. And this is the outside patio, which I couldn't get a spot at because it's so busy. So I'm going to have to sit inside, which is fine also. And here's a look at what this place looks like. And so I got pork souvlaki platter and pastitsio, which is like Greek lasagna.
I'll take you a picture to your high top.
So here's my 2 entrees, typical pork souvlaki platter with the lemon potatoes. Looks really good with some pita and tzatziki, which I don't even like. And this is the pastitsio, which is very similar to lasagna. It's basically the same ingredients except maybe some, I think some ricotta cheese in the middle or something like that, but if somebody told you this was lasagna and you ate it, you wouldn't know the difference really. So it's very similar to lasagna. So I ordered 2 entrees because I had a buy one get one half off coupon, but I'm not going to take these home. I'm not going to eat these all. I'm going to take home half of them and eat half here, even though I probably could eat both of these. So let's see how it is. Pastitsio. So it's like noodles instead of the flat leaf. It's like almost like ziti. It is ziti, I guess. Packed in with beef and cheese. One thing you notice of this that's different from lasagna is that there's some cinnamon in here, a lot of cinnamon actually. That's what a lot of Greeks put in their pasta sauce, is cinnamon. And so it gives it a very unique flavor. You should try it. And my pork souvlaki. Very good, very juicy, very good. So I'm gonna eat half of these now and take the rest home for tomorrow. I think the music guy stopped. place is packed. So there's a line outside this place now at 10 to 8.
I did, kind of. You just spread out.
Here's the outside place. It's pretty big. So there's another place, Costas, over here. So all these places look pretty packed right now.
You too. Watch out, man. Watch what you're doing. Do they really?
Yeah, but it's pretty light. I bet it's.
So it's a good crowd out here tonight. Pretty crowded, almost 8 o'clock. So guys, I'm ending right where I started, in front of the parking lot. I got my to-go food for tomorrow, and I'm stuffed with some good Greek food. So if you're in the area, definitely come by here and check this place out. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Nice car. GT63 AMG. Wow.